We continue in EVICE Auto with portable cleaning tools that you can use in your final destination when you arrive to the hotel or to your holiday home, etc. So in this case we are going to use once again the Worx Hydroshot, and the water source will be that 1 liter bottle, that green bottle. In this case we are going to clean this rim, which is quite dirty after 2000 kilometers. So, as I showed you in my previous video cleaning bugs here in the top right corner, I'm going to use this Hydroshot pressure bottle. I've already pressurized there one of my wheel cleaners. In this case was my wife's wheel and tire cleaner, diluted 1 to 2. 1 part of wheel cleaner, 2 parts of water. And I pressurized that with this portable bike tire inflator, if you like. So, what's different in this video is that we are going to use this tool from Worx, which is called Rotary cleaning brush, and it's an attach that you add to the Worx Hydroshot, and this will be turning when activated. We will see that if that works. So it's not very soft. These brushes, they are not very soft, but they are not very hard either. So we will test that without making pressure. We will see that. There is a similar tool called Brush Hero that used to be an attach for your garden hose, and I didn't like that because it was a disaster, because it wastes too much water. We will see that. It's the first time I use it. Okay, let's check it out. So we are ready. I connected the bottle here in the source, in the inlet, and on the right here we have the rotative brush. But first we are going to spray all the wheel with the solution. Now we let it well for about 2 minutes, and then we start brushing with the Worx attachment. I don't know if you can watch it on camera, but where the brush hit the wheel, it really clean. However, because this is a multi-spoke wheel, it's not very convenient for this brush attachment. So I think it will be better to use that on the wheel wells, or if you like in the exhaust pipe, but not in a wheel like this one. Moreover, I waste 1 liter of water in 1 wheel only. So you will need like 4 bottles of that to do the whole car. So now I'm going to finish the wheel with a wash mitt, and I will tell you my conclusion. So, what are my final thoughts about this brush attachment for the Worx? I didn't like it for cleaning wheels. Maybe you can use it in other parts of the vehicle or maybe around the house, but I don't recommend that for cleaning your car, at least the rims. What I did like it about the Worx Hydroshot is for rinsing a wheel. I use 1 liter for 1 wheel with this attachment and the 25-degree nozzle. I like it a lot for rinsing. as I said, you use 1 liter for 1 wheel, so you might use a folding bucket like this one instead of taking the water from 1 bottle. Maybe this will be a better solution. And the most important tool here for me was the SureShot sprayer. I like it a lot for wheels. I atomize very well the solution, and you can put here wheel cleaners, we can put bag removers, your favorite shampoo, anything. I like it a lot. If you got any doubt or any comment, please leave me in the description below. As always, I'm going to leave all the descriptions and all the links for the attachment bottle, for the Hydroshot, for this folder bucket, especially for the SureShot, which is very convenient, and even this brush from Worx. Maybe you can find a better application. Everything. So see you in the next videos, and I recommend you to subscribe because we are going to continue using this method, and I give you a clue of my next video. We check that out. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.